Last class I explained about Pakistan and Parvez Musharraf. From that we understand that how the elected leaders of Pakistan were not able to take the decisions for the people of Pakistan. Today we are going to study about free and fair political elections. Again here we are studying about the two countries. One is China and one is Mexico. What about China? Chinese parliament is called as National People's Congress, and this parliament got the power to elect its president. 3,000 members are the total number of members to the Chinese parliament, and these people are elected from different parts of the country. Some of these people were elected by the military officials, and there is a party which is called as Chinese Communist Party and its allied parties. Around 8 small allied parties are there. Only those who are the members of these parties, especially in Chinese Communist Party, can contest the election, can become the candidate to stand for the election of Chinese parliament. So always the people, the government formed by the Chinese Communist Party in China. Second is about Mexico. This country got the independence in 1930s, and after that various elections held. Every 6 years they conducted the election. There was no chance of any dictatorship or any military ruler to come into Mexico. Election held, and the main party, the party was Institutional Revolutionary Party, PRI. It won the election all the time till 2000. There were other parties, opposition parties, but no one got the chance to win the election till 2000 after the independence. That means this party played various tricks to win the elections in Mexico. What all bad tricks, dirty tricks they played? They asked the government officials to come for the meeting of the parties, for this political party, PRI. The government teachers asked the parents to give only vote to this party. They are forcing the parents to give vote to only to this PRI party. Together with that, this PRI party spent a huge amount of money to win the elections, and they never allow the media to give freedom for the opposition party leaders to come and speak. So these are the various ways the political party of Mexico, the PRI party of Mexico, played dirty tricks to win the elections in Mexico. So what do you understand from these two parties? One is China and one is Mexico. China never give any open chance for the people to elect their rulers according to their choice. Mexico, the people seemed to get a choice, but they never get. Reality, the party decides. This should not be a formation of election. Election means wherever the people should get the complete choice to remove the rulers and to bring the opposition into power. This was not happened in both of the cases. In India, we get an open chance to remove our rulers and to bring the opposition into power. But in the cases of China and Mexico, we are not able to see that. Okay, thank you.